I've been doing iRevise.com maths classes for a few days now, and I've improved massively. I've been able to look back over my mock exam and complete some of the questions I got wrong. Some of the topics I usually found really difficult are actually not that bad anymore. Their website is really helpful too. They have plenty of notes available for nearly every subject. They even have mock papers and sample answers up. This is a great way of practicing and improving on a subject. And best of all, it only costs $7.99 per month. Not only do they help with schoolwork, but they have study and exam tips. This will save time in the exam and when you're studying. iRevise.com is a must-have if you want to do well in an exam. It makes learning enjoyable. Every week I'm looking forward to a maths class with Tom Nolan, and you will too if you do it.
I was so grateful to iRevise for the classes that they put on for both 5th and Leaving Cert students after the schools closed in March because of COVID-19. I benefited both from the maths class and the accounting class. The accounting class with Emer Kilgannon were really exceptional. Emer was meticulous in her approach to accounting. She ensured that not only did we complete the exam questions to the highest possible standard, but we had both a list of steps that we could apply to any exam question and a bank of the workings that constantly repeated every year in the exam. After studying accounting for 2 years in class, it was really beneficial to work with Emer and figure out what workings were very common in the exam questions, the more difficult workings, and how to tackle them for the future. I would highly recommend it for any student looking to improve their accounting and their approach to the Leaving Cert exam in general.
Hi, I'm Billy McSweeney. I'll be your History and English tutor on iRevise for the next 13 weeks. In English, we'll be looking at every section of both papers, and I will be taking you through a detailed approach to each of those sections. In history, I'll be starting with elements of the RSR as well as the document question, showing you ways to improve your RSR as well as to improve the timing and efficacy of your document question. I'll also be going through much of the case studies for the other 3 sections.
So, what's going to happen in this section is you're going to be asked to find the equation of a circle. To form the equation of a circle, normally you need to know the center and you need to know the radius. But sometimes you can't find the center and radius using your coordinate geometry formula. So I'm going to say that again because this is what all this question is about.
Remember that octane number is the measure of the tendency of a fuel to resist knocking. Now, knocking is premature ignition. The spark comes too early and it reduces the power of the car and increases fuel consumption. Octane numbers range from 0 to 100, like temperature, but also like temperature, it can go below 0 and it can go above 100, although we don't normally go outside those limits.